Before we really start, closing this episode off, before we move on, I'm going to give a shout out here for any listeners who may be so interested. There is a book that is up now available for pre-order that is releasing later in the year. It is titled Mental Health for Metalheads, Rock Your Way to Wellbeing, written by James Neeson. This is not a paid advertisement because we don't do that here, and I'm a little adverse to lots of people, turning up and wanting to advertise on our stuff, but James has been a long-time member of the TNM community for years on all of our social channels and everything, and social groups, and I know he's been working on this for a long time. It has cover art by Ed Repka, the icon behind so many of the great thrash metal covers of the 80s, the thrash artist, and of course, as you can gather from the title, it is a book to do with therapy and mental well-being, but aimed at metalheads, with references sewn throughout to many a band from the metal universe. I think even the odd reference taken from this show and our in-jokes over the years. So seems made for the TNM fans out there, coming at subjects like psychology through the heavy metal lens and the artists that we love. I have not personally had the opportunity to read it, but it has been looked over by a licensed psychiatrist, apparently, and 50% of the profits to this are also going to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation. So if that sounds like a read that you might get something out of, then as said, it is available now for pre-order through Amazon, for your Kindle, for example. Mental Health for Metalheads, Rock Your Way to Wellbeing.